Hi, my name's Kurtos. I'm going to show you how my friend and I 3D printed these little mini signs. And then I'm going to mount them to this camelback rig. If you haven't seen this video yet, you can click here, or you can click the link in the description. Cue the 3D printing montage. So this little mount has these grooves right here. I'm going to make a little piece that's going to slide right in. And then it'll sit like that. Easier to do it in paper first instead of the material you want to cut out of. Now that I have all the PVC cut, I'm taping it together with VHB tape. It's strong and no mess. We printed out another to test out how small we could put the type. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.